Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together.
やあ、ギャリーです。一緒に英語を楽しもう。
Today's targets are 1. Body and 2. Phonics GHIJKL
今日のターゲットは1、体2、フォニックスの GHIJKL
Don't forget,
忘れないでね。
let's start the DVD lesson.
じゃあ、DVD レッスンを始めよう。
Next, let's do some actions.
次は少し動いてみよう。
Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay?
今日は自分で頑張ってみてほしいんだ。
I will give you the gesture and you do the actions.
先生がジェスチャーをするから、あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Walk. Run. Stop. Step forward. Step backward. Stop. Sit down. Okay, good job. Finally, I will say only the words and you do the actions.
最後に先生は言葉だけ言うよ。あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Walk. Run. Stop. Step forward. Step backward. Stop. Sit down. Excellent! Next week, I will show you new actions.
来週は新しい動きをやるよ。
Goodbye. Hi, it's phonics time. Let's review what we have learned over the last 3 weeks.
今までの3週間で習ったことを復習しよう。
Are you ready? 1, 2. G is G. Grapes. H is H. Hat. I is I. Insect. J is J. Jam. K is K. Kangaroo. L is L. Lion. Well done. Next week, let's start something new.
来週は新しいのを始めよう。
See you next time.
See you next time.
Who's that?
誰だ？
It's time to sing.
歌の時間だよ。
Let's sing the song Head, Shoulders, Knees and Toes together.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes の歌を一緒に歌おう。
Are you ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and knees and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Well done.
上手に歌えたね。
Next time, we'll sing a new song.
次からは新しい歌が始まるよ。
Are you excited? Yes?
ワクワクする？
Me too.
先生もだよ。
Goodbye. It's vocabulary time.
単語の時間だよ。
Let's review the words you learned last time.
この前習った単語の復習をしよう。
It's a leg. It's a foot. It's an arm. It's a shoulder. It's a hand. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint.
次に少しヒントを言うよ。
Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is.
先生が答えを言う前に、あなたが答えてね。
Are you ready? What's this? It's an arm. What's this? It's a shoulder. What's this? It's a foot. What's this? It's a leg. What's this? It's a hand. Could you say them all?
全部言えたかな？
Well done.
よくできたね。
Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants.
チャンツの時間だよ。チャンツを楽しもう。
This week, I want you to challenge them by yourself.
今週は自分で頑張ってみてほしいんだ。
I will do the actions and you speak.
先生が動いてみせるから、あなたはチャンツを言ってね。
Are you ready? Good job! Hi, it's book time.
本の時間だよ。
This week is the last time for the story.
今週でこのお話はおしまいです。
I will read the story to you in English only.
これから英語だけで読むよ。
Please enjoy it together with me.
先生と一緒に楽しんでね。
The title is My Body, written by Gary and Akiko. This is my head. This is my nose. This is my mouth. These are my eyes. These are my ears. These are my arms. These are my legs. These are my feet. These are my shoulders. These are my hands. This is my body. This is my body. The end. How was that?
どうだった？
Next week, I will read you a new story.
来週は新しいお話を読むよ。
Goodbye.
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game.
ねえ、音を当てる遊びをしようよ。
Somebody says lion.
誰かが lion って言うよ。
Guess who?
誰かな？当ててね。
Are you ready?
準備はいいかな？
Pigeon.
Lemon. Lion.
Who said lion?
I did. I said lion.
Oh, Carla said lion.
カラが言ったんだね。
Did you get it?
君はわかったかな？
By the way, what did you say, Max?
ところで、Max はなんて言ったの？
I said pigeon. Pigeon. I see. How about you, Linda? Linda?
リンダはどう？リンダ。
I said lemon. Lemon.
I see.
なるほど。
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that?
やあ、どうだった？
Now today's DVD lesson is over.
これで DVD レッスンはおしまい。
Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Body and 2. Phonics. G-H-I-J-K-L. Don't forget.
今日のターゲットは1、体2、フォニックスの G-H-I-J-K-L 忘れないでね。
See you next time. Goodbye.
また次の時に会おうね。さようなら。